guys, welcome back to another video. And my cat right here just got his Chewy. And if you don't know what Chewy is, it's a food subscription where you can order stuff for your pet. Honestly, he's a cat and he's a pet. So basically what Chewy does, you basically get like dog food or cat food. Knowing that I have a cat, in this box is cat food and you can choose whatever food you like. So let's get into it by opening it. I already did the sides. Now I'm just going to do down the middle and see what our cat got. And what you'll notice when you get into the box is all these papers. And then basically it came with Meow Mix Brush and Bites. We got hairball control, chicken flavored Temptations, and then he basically got 2 of each. Basically he got 2 of both, so 2 of those. And he got grilled chicken, then he got grilled chicken. He likes his grilled chicken. And he got Friskies, Tasty Treasure. I'm gonna say and cheese and gravy. And then basically got the same thing again. And that is the Chewy unboxing. And basically, you could just choose whatever dog food or cat food you like, whatever. It depends on what pet you have. So basically, that's about it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Share this video. Comment something down in the comment section below. And I'll link the website to Chewy down in the description below. And no, this is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to open this on camera. So yeah, so click right here for a previous video, click right here for a random video, and don't forget to click right here. Brittani creates fun right here, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I post the next video. Bye. Don't you give it up.